Hi everyone and welcome. In this home practice session, we're going to explore a different way to use head support for Savasana or any sort of supine or laying down posture where you have blanket underneath the head. This is a really nice variation to do to support the neck and to support the head. Sometimes when we lay down in our Savasana, we do have a bit of a tilt to the head. So this ensures that your head is on straight. So you'll need a blanket or a towel. And from the traditional Sarvangasana or shoulder stand fold, you're going to unfold it once. And then lay it lengthwise, and you're going to fold it in half lengthwise. And then begin to roll up the edges. So you can start with one, roll to the middle, and start with or follow with the other one, roll that up into the middle. So you have these two rolls. Then you're going to flip this over and separate it slightly so that you can rest your head in that space that you've created between the two rolls. So I'll just demonstrate. You've got your support there. And then lay down in the center of your mat. Go down with bent knees. And then lay your head inside of these two rolls, and you'll feel the support on the sides of the head. So you can see, okay, is the head straight? Then you can bring the edge of the blanket support just to hit the tops of the shoulders. Press into your elbows, lift the shoulder blades off of the mat, move the shoulder blades and the skin of the back down towards the heels, and then release the shoulder blades back down. And you can release your arms up to the sides, palms up. And then press your heels away, and then let your legs fall out to the sides. Now, when you let the legs fall out to the sides, you may feel that it moves the body down, so you may need to readjust the head support so that, again, the edge of the head support is hitting the tops of the shoulders. And then you can enjoy your Savasana. Let us know if you have any questions, and we hope you enjoy. Happy practicing. Namaste.